Last year during Memorial Day weekend, Rogers got hit by a tornado and my house was impacted by it. It was super terrifying. So my house is kind of a shotgun house. So there's really no safe space in that house. So I was home alone with my dogs. Terrifying experience. I was on the phone with my mom. I didn't know if this was gonna be like my last time, like having that conversation with her. It was a very terrifying experience. I hope no one ever goes through that, but this is kind of why I bought the Atlas tornado shelter. I would recommend Atlas. The process and the experience has been super easy. I signed up on the site and they came out within like a week. The rep was super nice. He walked through the options. We can put it outside, inside our garage, even talked about the opportunities of if you sold your home, you can take the storm shelter with you to your next home and they'll deliver that at a small fee. But as you're investing in a storm shelter like this, it's kind of a peace of mind if I did want to sell my home and take it with me. So I was in between two options, the 4x4 and the 4x6. I was able to come to the showroom at Atlas in Northwest Arkansas, located in Bentonville. I was able to get in both of the options to see like the room inside of it, how it would fit. I'm a little bit claustrophobic, so I went with the bigger option, especially I have a big family with all my dogs. I have 3 dogs and my boyfriend and I. So that's why we chose the bigger option. Unfortunately, in Northwest Arkansas, we're kind of in the tornado belt now, and I feel like every month there's always a scare, and now this will just be peace of mind for me and my family.